o'clock in the morning, Saturday. Man, I wish I was sleeping in, but race car time. Everybody wants to do race car stuff. Tell it's time to do race car stuff. 3.5 hour drive to Indy. Let's go.
Airplane. Boom.
We made it out here. I'm still asleep, I think. We get 2 test passes and then it goes into some sort of elimination. I would assume they're doing chip drive. I don't really know that they're qualifying. But made some changes. Making a whole lot more boost on the starting line. So we will see what that means. Hopefully it doesn't just knock the tire clean off. Maybe it'll wheelie, maybe it won't. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Stay tuned.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. Here, grab a pad, hold on.
That ain't fucking good. I think we lost the head gasket. Well, the pan's
That's
red.
what it sounded like.
It probably opened because we overfilled the trans. Here's the problem though. This fitting on the fuel rail got loose and it leaned out. I didn't know that until I could smell a bunch of fuel in the car and I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm gonna say you definitely
Which one? The one from here to here.
Oh, fuck.
much luck. Even with the pliers.
These things are fucking hot. That's what it is.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the. I got one of that. The heat shields pulled up on that side. I can't even get the heat shields pulled up on this side.
I thought we had. It's just the strap. At least. You sure you don't want to put the 8 back in there?
No, I want to put the 7
hitting
back.
it hard.
I mean, we can.
I'm pretty sure.
Did we gap 8s?
We haven't gapped any. She's got the gapping tools.
They're on the
There's
thing.
7s over there. There's an
Yeah,
over here.
we have a gapping.
I mean, we could drop the pan completely.
All right, here.
Those are what? 12s? Hold that thing in? Yeah.
15s.
Correct, sir.
Hey, there's power tools, John. On the bottom of that.
All right, to the other side.
Hold on. I think maybe the fucking injector.
We got one over there. Got one cylinder.
Four, five, four.
We're missing 4 cylinders now. The problem is right here. That little guy managed to vibrate its way loose, lost fuel pressure on that pass, and seems like we burned something up. What exactly? I don't know yet. Maybe a valve, maybe a piston. Hard telling. We didn't bring valves. We didn't bring pistons.
We brought some good spirits though.
Bummer. But we went our best. We went our best 60 foot, our best 330, and our best 8. Probably would have been the best quarter mile, but it stopped making horsepower about 1,000 foot mark. That's racing. It's all right. We'll shake the bugs out of it and figure it out for 6 summer.
Good work changing those spark plugs quick though.
Yeah, good work whoever cleaned the skid plate.
Yeah, John Hall was all over that.
We came to Indy, to Cleetus and Cars. Woke up super early this morning, made 1 hit, broke everything in the car. Went to tow it back with the golf cart, it's broken. Went to cool it off with the generator, it's broken. It's time to go home. We did not do good. Good time for an event. Car ran great on the first little test hit that we had. Unfortunately, it ran great till it didn't. So dropped some fuel pressure and burned something up. Not sure if it's valves or pistons yet, but we're gonna go head home and find out. Let's get out of here.